Hello, I'm Albie Preston. Welcome back to TR3. And if you're new here, welcome. Today we will be having a conversation with Akinrinade. He is from Nigeria. He is going to be telling us a little bit about himself, his tech career, and what brought him to the tech space. So please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time. All right. Could you go ahead and state your name for us, please?
So I didn't get that.
Could you go ahead and state your name for us, please?
My name is Akinrinade Tobiloba.
All right, nice to meet you. And would you tell us a little bit about your tech career, how you started, and why you decided to join tech?
So I think before I went to uni, I tried to learn. I went for a summer class, just 2 weeks, introduction to web development. It was
Mm,
just 2 weeks of HTML and CSS, and then I go to uni, and I never had the time to go back. So post uni, I was at home and I was just figuring out like what to do. Then
yeah.
decided to go into tech, yeah, basically.
Okay. Um, would you tell us, what would you tell somebody who is new to tech or trying to get into tech?
Uh, Tech is an interesting space to get into,
Mhm.
but one advice I can tell anyone that wants to get into tech is make sure you do your research and know how everything works properly before you get into it, and make sure what field you are going to choose should align with who you are as a person, because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you having fun with what you are doing is all that matters.
Yeah. Um, what what aspect or what part of tech are you more proficient in? Like, for example, are you more front end, back end?
Yeah.
What? So you're
So
both?
currently I'm a full stack, front end and back end. But
Okay.
lately I've been exploring machine learning because, but right now I just call myself a full stack developer and a machine learning enthusiast. Yeah.
Okay. Um, how would you how would you say you acquire your skills?
Okay. So unlike most people that are self-taught, I was lucky to join an academy.
Hmm.
So I joined Shadow House Academy. It's like one of the biggest tech space in Nigeria, and
Hmm.
it's really helped because they have like a proper structure,
Yeah.
and it really made it easy for me to learn basically.
Okay. What are some projects you're working on or that you have worked on?
Yeah, of course. I work on quite a lot of projects, but currently I'm working for a UK company. I can't really disclose what we are doing because I signed an NDA, sorry. But yeah, we
Yeah.
are currently working for a UK company and we are building something great, something fascinating. And
Hmm.
also, I'm also part of a team. We are building like a solution to healthcare in Nigeria, trying
Hmm.
to build something that will improve our healthcare. So it's just I and my friend and some people that are doing that.
Okay. Um, in your own words, how would you describe tech to somebody?
So, so as a kid, I've always been like a creative person. So I see tech the same way. I see tech more of creativity more than any other thing. And I
Yeah.
feel like if you're an inquisitive person, if you like learning, then tech is like a perfect space to be in. And it's a really fun space, to be honest. Yeah,
Yeah.
because you get to provide solutions and all that. And I mean, you building something that millions of people out there are using. I mean, that's like something great.
Yeah. Do you think it's time consuming? For example, if I want to join, is it going to be hard?
Course, of course. I mean, the more sleepless nights you have, the better you become. That's like a slang in the tech community. So the
Yeah,
more you learn, the better you become. So if you are not always learning, if you are not, because to be honest, there are always better ways to do something. So if you do something and it's working right,
yeah,
if you try to explore more, then you will discover that there's a better way of doing that thing. So yeah,
right.
time consuming.
Yeah. Um, what what challenges have you had like throughout your tech career? Because I know it's not always smooth sailing. So, what are some challenges?
So there's something they call self-imposter syndrome. So like you most time you doubt yourself like am I really good enough to take up this project? Am I like that's part of the problem. Then as a Nigerian, it's really hard. The resources are low, but I mean we just guys
Yeah.
do what we have to do.
Mhm. What challenges do you face there in Africa? Like,
Oh wow. I mean if I start, we are not going to leave this place. So first thing first is constant electricity. I
mhm,
mean it's a big problem, and internet. We don't have like strong internet. Sometimes you might decide to work. I mean you might be all pumped to work and your internet might just get messed up. Then the electricity. I feel like that's like the major problems we face currently.
yeah,
I mean, there are some minor ones, but those are the major ones.
okay. Yeah, I mean that's understandable. Um, if you were acquired to like go abroad and start working for a big tech company, like do you have a specific one you would want to work for or
Of course. So, like I said, I've been exploring machine learning, and I would love to work at Google, to be honest.
okay.
Microsoft. I mean, this I I can't wait to see myself there because, like I said, I love learning, and it will really be a good experience to learn from people that have spent time, people that have built great things. I mean, it's something I really want to.
Yeah. Do you like working independently or like in a collaborated group
I love working with people.
with
I
people?
mean,
Yeah. Is there anything specific you would like to input?
uh, so should I advise? What do you want me to say exactly?
Just anything you feel as if like you want to speak upon your tech career.
Okay, okay. So I just want to talk about a product we are building because I mentioned it earlier. My Me and some people we are trying to provide a solution to healthcare in Nigeria. So
Mhm.
basically, Africa, we are not technology wise, we are not really there yet. We are still like
Yeah,
in the past somehow. So our hospitals, we are careless with data actually. You can do something a year ago and you want to like get that information and you won't there's no data basically. So we are trying to fix up some of those problems. So our healthcare solution, we are trying to provide EMR because Nigeria, we still do things in a traditional way. When you go
yeah.
to that, they write with pen and paper and all that. So we are trying to streamline it, make it
Mhm.
faster where they can do it on a system and all that. So that's the project we're working on currently. Yeah.
Okay. So it's like a problem solver. That's
Yeah.
basically what tech is. You have to be able to see a problem and solve a problem. So yeah.
I mean, we are still building and we have hospitals that are telling us, yeah, they are interested. They want to jump on it as soon as it's done. So
Yeah. What are some other minor projects you've worked on?
Personally, I work on a lot. I develop my own chat app. I develop NPM. So basically, anytime I think about is something that I think I need, I try to build
Mhm.
it. I mean, that's the beauty of tech. If I
Yeah.
feel like I need a note-taking app, then I build it. So
Yeah.
it's just like that. Yeah.
Okay. That's that's pretty nice. Um, I took a intro to tech class one time and it was really hard. So I
Oh,
applaud
wow.
you. I was supposed to
So,
build a website and I couldn't do it. So I applaud you guys because it takes time, it takes patience, and it's like dedication too, because trying to find the missing period or the missing HPHT is really complicating. So yeah, you guys do a good job. But with that being said, is there any personal advice you would give anybody who start trying to start their tech journey? Any
uh,
upcoming for
okay.
mostly for the newer generation?
Okay. So there's this new trend of everyone saying AI is going to take your job and all that.
Hmm.
So if you are someone that's looking to get into tech, don't be scared. AI won't take your job. AI are here to help us. They
Yeah,
are not here to take your job. So don't be scared. I feel like most people are scared because I spoke with some people and they be like, they don't want to do it. I mean, they say AI is doing what this. I mean, no, it's not like that. All you have to do is just make sure that you work well with AIs and it improves your productivity, it makes you better, make you faster, and you are good to go.
yeah. AIs don't always know everything. There's sometimes they mess up where the internet shut down and now they need humans. So
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
But if there's nothing else you feel like you need to add, would you one more time state to us where you're from, um, and your name, please?
So my name is Akinrinade Tobiloba. I'm a full stack developer. I'm
Mhm.
a Nigerian. Yeah.
Well, it was really nice talking to you. Am I saying it correctly? Ade.
Akinrinade.
I can Ruade. Okay. And
Yeah, you
I'm
got it.
Albie Preston. It was really nice talking to you, having this conversation. I wish you well in your tech career and stay motivated, because you guys do work hard and just know you're appreciated. Yeah.
Big shout to C3 Africa for doing this. Thank you for what you guys are doing, bringing us out here. It's really nice.
No problem. No problem. We appreciate you guys. That's why. That's the main reason. We want to bring there are a lot of talented people in Africa, of course. It's just, you know, the networking aspect is just, yeah. So we want to open that space up. But yeah.
Okay. Do I need to drop maybe my Twitter handle or something in case anyone wants to chat to me? I mean,